The Hunted Cat Foundation is an all-volunteer organization. In addition to volunteering at a spay-neuter clinic, there are lots of behind-the-scenes tasks where assistance is needed. Some of these opportunities include staffing tables at events, providing foster homes for some of our adoptable cats, and baking for bake sales. Another thing that's really helpful is transporting cat food and/or traps and helping elderly and disabled folks with trapping. Other things that people can do include cutting sheets into trap covers and making winter shelters for feral cats. If you're interested in becoming involved, please be in touch. We'd love to hear from you.